Today let's prepare delicious Goan prawns pulao. So to make this dish you need prawns. I've used this big jumbo prawns. So you need to remove the shell, devein them and then wash them thoroughly. And since they are big, I've cut them into two pieces and then you apply some salt and keep it aside for around 30 minutes. Most of the time prawn shells are discarded after cleaning the prawns, and it's a very bad idea because prawn shells contain maximum amount of flavor, and in this recipe I'll be using the prawn shells to prepare a flavorful prawn stock. So let's see how it's prepared. Bring the stock to a boil, and once it starts boiling, reduce the heat and simmer it for around 30 minutes. Then take the rice. In this case I've used basmati rice. You can use any other long grain rice, and soak it for around 20 minutes. As the stock is simmering, skim off the scum without disturbing the stock. Then strain this stock using a strainer. You can also add a muslin cloth on top of the strainer. Now heat oil in a pan, add all the whole spices and give a quick stir. Now add the chopped onion and saute till the onion is light brown in color. Then add the tomatoes and fry till the tomatoes are mashy. Simultaneously wash and drain the rice. Now add turmeric powder, vegetable stock cubes, that is your Maggi cubes, and the prawns. Mix well and fry for around 2 minutes. Now add the rice and fry for 1 minute. Add the hot prawn stock, some handful of chopped coriander leaves, and some salt. Mix well, cover the lid and cook it. Now you can see the rice has almost absorbed the stock. At this stage, take a rubber spatula and give a gentle stir. Make sure you don't break the rice grains. Now cover the lid and cook for around 2 minutes on low heat. If you're using a gas burner, you can use a hot griddle, that is your tawa, underneath the vessel so that the rice doesn't burn. Prawns pulao is now ready to be served. Make sure you keep it covered, otherwise it will dry out.